We'll just say continue to mockups. From here, you have a couple options depending on the product that you chose. Some of them are going to have some mockups that show like models wearing the shirt and it puts it on pretty well. But there's a really great tool that Gelato has called Magic Mockup. So these all look good. I'm going to select these. I want to show pretty much all of these, just so people have an idea of what they're getting. But let's click on Magic Mockups as well. And this is going to be an AI prompt that you can give to really create the right mockup. So if we just click on some of the suggestions here, like a flat lay, for example, again, go back to Etsy, go back to Facebook or wherever you're looking at these and see what does it actually look like? Like what are people showing? Are they usually showing a flat lay? Is it usually a model wearing it? So maybe for this one, I think urban outdoor makes less sense. Nature makes quite a bit of sense. Flat lay is a really good one now. So let's say cozy flat lay. And we'll generate a mockup. And you get, I think, 10 free mockups per day. So feel free to use as many as you want. Try to really tailor this and get it correct. Honestly, that's not too bad. I think that's pretty good. So I'm going to add that mockup. I'm going to totally use that one. And yeah, by the way, you can choose which one's the primary.